Hi y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I just got off about, now 50 minutes ago, waiting on my Walmart order. But now I'm about to shower, might make some food, whatever, I don't know. Whatever I decide to do, but I just wanted to welcome y'all to another vlog. And yeah. Hey y'all, so a couple hours have passed, skincare and shower done. Walmart order just got here about 15 minutes ago. I'm about to put that stuff away, have some wine, and relax. I was going to do my nails, but as you can see, I keep wearing this scarf because I need to re-braid the front of my hair. So, hopefully I could get to that this weekend because I really don't feel like it, but I need to. What?
The password.
So, yeah. So, like I said, Walmart order is here. I just set it down. First of all, I got this Scott's paper towels and tissue. I don't normally buy this particular tissue and paper towels, but it was on sale, so I said, why not? All of this was $30. How? It was on sale at Walgreens, so I ended up getting that. I mean, hey, you can't never have enough. From Walmart, I got the 35-pack water. I got grapefruit laundry detergent. I use Free and Clear. Bread. What else? Not me forgetting what I got. Oh, some more milk. I got a meat thermometer because my last one broke. And got some meat, some ground meat. So yeah, that was it for that. I'm about to pour me up my glass and relax, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day, and see what I mean by my hair being fuzzy, new growth. That's why I've been keeping my scarf on, but anyway, it's the next day. I'm about to do my Saturday errands. Even if I don't have errands, I make errands. So I'm about to do my errands. I need to get the rest of the stuff that I need for dinner. I'm either gonna cook it tonight or tomorrow. Most likely I'm gonna start it tonight. What else I need? It's stuff that I need to do. I need to go to Goodwill and whatever I feel like I need to do while I'm out here. But yeah, we up and at 'em, and I'll see y'all later. So the first stop was Pop Shelf. I don't know if y'all have one of these or been here. It's just one of those cutesy little stores that have a little bit of everything. So yeah, this was my first stop. Real quick, y'all, because I barely got anything and they didn't really have anything worth getting. So I got these 3 masks. Collagen, cucumber, chamomile. I got some acne patches, pimple patches. And then I just got some nails. You can't go wrong with French tip nails. And that's all I got from there. I'm about to go into Marshall's and I'll see y'all later. I'm on the move. So from Marshall's, I got these iPads. I got some foot masks. I hope y'all can see it. I got some more patches and some lip oil I want to try. Y'all, it's crazy because I'm not even supposed to be buying stuff. So it's really good that I'm not really finding nothing. But I'm about to try one of these. The clear one. The smell kind of throwing me off, but whatever. So I'm about to go to Raising Cane's because I'm hungry. Go to Raising Cane's and then go in the house. I was gonna go to Goodwill, but I'm gonna wait till I pick my daughter up. I don't know, she might be coming home tomorrow because I know she gonna want to go. So Raising Cane's and home. I'm sure y'all already know with these ingredients what's going down. My roast is already in the crock pot. This is a nice size roast. I know some people sear theirs before they put it in a crock pot, but I mean, it don't make no difference to me. So yeah, I got my ingredients except for this. I know this is not a part of the Mississippi pot roast thing, but I like to add it. And then like the last 2 hours, I'm gonna add some carrots and maybe some potatoes, since I'm not making mashed potatoes.
Shorty gone crazy. Shorty gone crazy.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day and my roast is done. I'm about to put on my crock pot mac and cheese, which is bomb. I'll leave that recipe in the description. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then me and my daughter going to Goodwill. I know y'all tired of saying this stuff on my head, but just bear with me until I do my hair, because I'm tired of saying it. But yeah, I'm about to put this crock pot mac and cheese on. And I'm not doing greens this time. I'm doing broccolini. Something easy. And I need to get some biscuits. And that's gonna be that. That's in the crock pot, and now we're ready to head out. All right, y'all, so we in the car and we're about to go to Goodwill. We're about to go to one that we haven't been to before. So yeah, come along.
Really did not even like her at first.
I mean, we know that.
Like, that's embarrassing.
When I say that was the worst Goodwill I ever been to, total waste of my time. So we going to another one.
Y'all with them gorillas stood tall. Did I let niggas hope you could be in city? About the king, they gon' drop you in. Who next to you, nigga? Go get him. Say a little T. Them niggas, when you take off, don't look back and try to rescue them niggas. I can't just get the revenue, nigga. That's with niggas, nigga. Boy, I can't trust you with that strap if you ain't got no body. Boy, I can't take you on no lick if you ain't robbed nobody. You ain't no shooter, you can't do that shit without no molly. I can tell this. Say no on no park right by the spot we had to move.
Hey, y'all, we about to try one more Goodwill. It's not looking good today. So we gonna try one more and then we're going in the house. Y'all, today wasn't a good thrifting day. I only got my son 2 little trucks. Stopped at the market to get some cake mix and biscuits. And then we went to Ross, and I only got, can't have good thrifting days and shopping days all the time. But I did need a new measuring cup. The one I have is plastic. I'm not really a big fan of plastic. So I got one of these, and it's so big for $5. I got my son this cute little shirt. It's a little Calvin Klein t-shirt. I think that was, yeah, $5. And then I got my daughter, I got her these Under Armour sneakers, and they was $29.99. Can't beat that. Just some little sneakers to work out in, or if you wearing some sweatpants or whatever. So yeah, that's basically all that I had got on our outing. It seemed like we've been gone forever. My food is done, except the broccolini. I have to make the broccolini, and then everything will be done. Broccolini and biscuits. When I come back, I will show y'all the food plated up. Oh yeah, and I did get some scratch offs. I wanted to show y'all the food really quick before I get the run in my mouth. But yeah, here's the food. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Skincare done, shower, food, all that is done. It's Sunday, so I'll probably just sit back and relax. And y'all, I'm trying to clean up and all that while I'm talking to y'all. But I'll probably be watching some Ratchet TV and just relaxing, having some wine, because I'm about to take a break from wine because I'm about to be back on my calorie deficit lifestyle. So normally I don't drink wine during the week when I'm doing that, or not at all. And I wanted to mention, like, I know that my vlogs haven't been like much about anything really entertaining. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I'm used to doing like cooking and cleaning videos. But I wanted to try something different, and it was my mother's idea too. You should start vlogging. So I'm basically just trying to get the hang of it and get used to it, so that when I do have things going on, I'll already, have the gist of it. Because to me, it is a difference than doing cooking and cleaning content type videos versus vlogging. It's been cool so far, but like I said, I haven't been really having nothing going on. But I do, if you're still watching and you're tuned in or whatever, I do want to thank you for your support and sticking with me or whatever. And they'll get better as time go on. But yeah, I do want to thank you for tuning in and your support. I appreciate the views. Well, I don't get much comments and likes yet, but all love is good love. So I'll see y'all in the next one. I'll see y'all next week. Today is Sunday, like I said, so have a nice, productive, and wonderful week. I'll probably start taking my hair out while I'm watching TV as well. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.